Well, this could have been worse. It could have been Cactus Jack that came out here.
Well, you got to give Billy Gunn credit. He is a four-time tag team champion. And now we're being joined by the Road Dogg, Jesse James.
That's one half of the tag team champions. I'll spit it out for you.
I was getting to that.
Where you were taking longer than this match is going to last, because Billy's going to beat him really bad and really soon.
What's this? Billy Gunn looking to finish? That's it. He's out.
Billy Gunn covers. Dude Love easily kicks out.
I have a strong feeling that these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam ahead.
Dude Love starting to have a good old time. Dude Love with a brilliant reversal. Oh, just continuing to beat his opponent down. Dude Love, oh, lights out. Dude Love setting up something. Billy Gunn is in all kinds of trouble.
Mr. Ash is going to take care of himself. You don't need to worry about that. He can beat all three of these dudes.
And Dude Love for the cover.
Knocked into the middle of next week.
Beads a sweat across the brow of one half of the tag team champions as his partners getting worn out by the Dudester.
Oh man, I don't quite know what to think here.
Oh, that connected. Gunn may be hurt. What's Dude doing here? He's got him up. Partner's not looking so good in there right now, Road Dogg.
You shut your mouth. You shut it. He's just catching his breath.
Dude Love looking to finish. Man, there's no getting up from that.
Here's the body press. Press two.